Hello, it's your girl, the Queen Bee of Doing Business Better. Every year, I get so many clients, and most of the time they come on, and the first thing they do is explain to me and tell me how embarrassed they are and how they planned on doing things better. And they've been so busy, and that they mean to do better and to keep up with everything. And you know what I do? The first thing I tell them is no. If you've been busy making money and if you've been successful, I don't expect you to stop and use your time to do something that you're employing me to do. That's my business. That's why I started it. I didn't start the company thinking nobody would need me and to teach people not to need me. No matter what it is that I do, whether it's reconciling bank statements or if it's explaining and going over financial reports, helping them to understand the ways of their statement of cash flow and how money is flowing and the way they should pay bills. Whatever it is that I explain, I do so because what I realize is the more you understand the reports, the more you're going to trust me to do them. And if your business is making money, which it will, when you understand what you're doing, how to decide when to raise rates or change your product or whatever, you're not going to have time to do that paperwork. Actually, as a business owner, you shouldn't be doing that paperwork. You should always spend your time doing the things that make you money. There are certain things that only you can do because it's your baby. Like, you're the face of the company. You want to meet potential investors and you want to meet clients and you want to keep them happy. If you're back there trying to go over receipts and paperwork and I'm going to take a class so that I understand better. No. If you have someone, whether it's a CPA, and if you don't know what the CPA does or you're not sure if you need a bookkeeper or a CPA, I have a video. Go check that out so you'll understand which one you need and why. But if you're trying to figure out and understand what they're saying, if you're trying because you're like, I don't understand it, I know they're telling me something, every time you meet with them, every time you speak with them, you ought to have your questions ready and they should be willing to answer them. I don't expect my clients to speak accounting or finance the way that I do. I know that they trust me to do it, which is why they can also trust me to explain it. It doesn't matter. It's my job to make sure that every month when we close those books, you understand what you've done, what you can do better the next month. Notice how I said month to month, not year to year. Year to year, that's too much time. And when you allow a lot of time to go by, that's a lot of money slipping through your fingers. And who can afford that? So I'm just telling you, if you are going into next year talking about and putting all of the pressure on yourself to do everything, you're going to get half of what you want accomplished. Half. And that means you're going to cut your finances in half. That means that you're going to cut your profits in half. You want to make sure that you are utilizing your time in the best way. And doing my job is not the best way. It's been your girl, the Queen Bee of Doing Business Better, saying give me a call and let's do better. Let's not just talk about doing better. Let's actually do something that will make us better. Bye-bye.